Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. Right now, we're going to look at Balasana, one of the resting asanas. For this asana's details, please look into your Reset Your book and understand the importance and every other detail about this asana. Right now, we are only looking at the practical part of it. I'm going to show you how to do this asana and how to release this asana. So I'm going to start from sitting position, and first you have to come in Vajrasana like this. I'll show it from the side. Okay, so from here I'm going to inhale, stretch my arms above my head, slowly bring myself on the floor and touch the forehead to your mat. Rest here. And if you're having difficulty, you can have little bit distance between your knees and just come down and touch your forehead on the mat. To release, inhale, come up, arms over your head. Exhale, bring them next to your body. Bring the knees together, come in sitting position. So this is your Balasana. Namo Shakti, happy practicing.